Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to customize your taskbar and start menu in Windows 11. Whether you're not a big fan of the new start menu position or simply want to personalize it to your liking, I've got you covered. So let's get started. As you may know, the new position of the start menu and taskbar items in the center of the taskbar can be unusual and difficult to get used to. Luckily, there is a quick way to change it to a more traditional left side position. Simply right-click anywhere on your taskbar, choose Taskbar Settings, and navigate to the Taskbar Behavior section. Here, you'll find the Taskbar Alignment drop-down menu with two options, left or center. I personally prefer the left alignment. Additionally, you can also choose which taskbar items to display, such as search icon, task view, or widgets option. To further customize your start menu and taskbar, head over to the Colors section in the Personalization tab. Here, you can change the colors that appear in Windows and your apps, enable or disable transparency effects, or add accent colors to your menus. You can also adjust the start menu layout to your liking. To get there, go back to Personalization tab and move down to Start section. Windows 11 offers three options: Default, More Pins, and More Recommendations. More Pins layout displays more program icons but fewer recommendations, while the More Recommendations layout offers the opposite. You can also choose what type of recommendations you want to be shown to you. The default layout provides a balanced option of having roughly the same amount of both. Be sure to try out all three layouts to find the one that suits you best. Another cool feature of the new Start menu is that you can group your apps and tools into folders to make Start menu better organized. You can then add, remove, or move items between folders, then rename the folders to make them more understandable to you, similar to how you would on your smartphone. Some of you might find it convenient having certain folders placed next to the power button for quick access. You can pick options available here from the Folders section of Start menu settings. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any other tips or tricks, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.